Okay, now we have here, okay, so this is a ventral decubitus. Patient is on their belly, horizontal beam, and now you can see the air and fluid levels. Double contrast study. Okay? All right, next one here is the right lateral decubitus. Right lateral decubitus. Your decubitus films, you need to highlight this, your decubitus films for double contrast study is good for detecting polyps and diverticulum, for polyps and diverticulum. The right lateral decubitus especially is best for polyp detection on the upside. On the upside. So if it's a right lateral decubitus, we're looking on the upside. Upside internal lining of the bowel. On the upside internal lining of the bowel. Okay, so it's just like a KUB. You set it up just like a KUB, mid-sagittal plane, also at the level of the iliac crest. Are we using the grid?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is where there might be some differences in your hospital because you're supposed, it says here 40-inch SID. Your book is going to say minimum of 40-inch SID. Okay. What you will see a lot of technologists doing is they're pulling their X-ray tube back and increasing their SID to anywhere between 60 to 72. Why do you think they're doing that? Huh? Because of magnification. Are we increasing it or trying to decrease it? We're trying to decrease magnification. So we're trying to get the entire bowel there on that one image. So again, the book will tell you at least 40 inches. What you will see as a normal practice are technologists doing it anywhere between 60 to 72. 60 to 72. Okay? So again, this is good for looking at polyps on the upside of the bowel. So here we have them laying on the right side. You should be able to see, this is good for visualizing bowel polyps in here, up on this side. Okay? So it also should be good looking for polyps here on this upside. So it doesn't matter if it's ascending or descending, we're looking at the upper side of the bowel. On the downside, this would be good for looking at what? Yeah, the outpouching. This is good for inpouching. This is good for outpouching. This is down here is good for the outpouching or the diverticulum. Down here, polyps up here. Okay, so it's good for polyps on the upside, on the upper lining.
What if they have on the transverse colon?
What do they have here?
What if they have them on the transverse colon? How would they?
You can do an upright or upright, tilting the table in different directions. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So either tilt the table up slightly or put them in a Trendelenburg. Okay. Wedge filter is optional. You guys know what a wedge filter is? A filter that you place on your X-ray tube to cause the beam to be uniform based on varying body part thicknesses. So if it's a wedge, it's a triangular wedge, where would you place the thicker part of the wedge? On the bottom or the top? The thicker part.
The top, right?
It should be on
Towards
the
the
top
bone.
because this is where it's more thin up here. So the thin part of the wedge would be down here. You guys remember the wedge filter?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. They exist. All right, and then here we have a left lateral decubitus. Again, it's just a KUB, right? It's a KUB shot. Bless you. So decubitus is that they are recumbent with a horizontal beam. Left lateral decubitus, mid-sagittal plane, KUB. You can do it at 40 inches minimum, or again, anywhere between 60 to 72. However they do it, that's how you do it. Okay? Entire large intestine is demonstrated with no rotation. Again, same thing applies here. We're going to look at the polyps on the upside, and then where the barium is. So air, when I say upside, we're talking about the air-filled side of it, of the colon. So that's good for the polyps. And wherever the barium is settling, that's good for evaluating the diverticulum.